Hello guys, in this quick video I'm going to show you how to exit private browsing mode in Safari. Here's how to do it. If you want to exit private browsing mode to normal browsing mode, this is what you have to do. You have to click on the three dots at the bottom right corner. Now click on all tabs. You have to switch to the previous tab at the bottom. At the bottom where it says private, you have to swipe right and it will take you to your normal browsing mode. You can now click the plus icon to open a new normal tab. So that's how you exit private browsing mode on Safari. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.